Okay. And now tell me, what is the basic difference between NCC B certificate and C certificate?
Sir, NCC?
B certificate and C certificate. What is the basic difference?
Yes, sir.
Hmm.
Sir, uh, B certificate is done at the intermediate level, sir,
Hmm.
at 11th and 12th standard,
Hmm.
and C certificate is done in schooling, sir, before at the 8th class to 10th class.
Okay.
It's initial, yes.
Which is more greater, or in terms of seniority, which is senior certificate, C or B?
B, sir.
B. Are you sure about it?
B, sir. Yes, sir.
I think you are wrong, because NCC certificates delivered after completing 2 years of training, and B certificates after only 1 year.
Oh, sorry, sir. I got confused. I think A is the smallest, C is the top level, sir. It's done in degree level.
C is top level, B is
C
lower.
is top.
Yes,
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
where C is given, that is the top level of certificate given by NCC, and B certificate is given after completing 1 year of training, and C certificate is given after completing of 2 year of training in NCC. You still got, or you
Sir,
still confused?
uh, uh, yes, yes, sir. Can you please explain, sir?
Okay, NCC C certificate, her in every exams where NCC is demanded, where there only C certificate is allowed. C is more valuable than B, because C is given after completing 2 years of NCC course, NCC training, and B is
Okay.
not allowed everywhere. As you can see that SSB only allows NCC C certificate. SSB means Service Selection Boards.
Okay, sir.
इंडियन आर्मी में जो अलाउ किया जाता है एनसीसी सी सर्टिफिकेट के लिए, जो है डायरेक्ट एंट्री आती, बी के लिए नहीं आती. बी इज इनकम्प्लीट सर्टिफिकेट ऑफ एनसीसी.
Okay, sir.
Okay, so what have you learned in NCC?
Sir, firstly, when I have joined, we were give we were we had done various activities, sir.
Hmm?
We had done tree plantation activities, and we have also raised rallies, and we also created awareness among the people, such as doing
Okay.
such as creating awareness.
Firstly, tell me which certificate do you hold, C or B?
I hold A, sir.
You hold A certificate. That is, I think,
Yes,
is
sir.
smallest. I
Yes, sir.
think you haven't ever shooted any rifle or any gun, 0.9 mm, 0.2 mm, or SLR. Have you ever fired or trained with this? Not now.
Uh, no, we didn't undergo uh, firing, sir, but we underwent a flying, sir.
Okay.
Flying.
Yes. So, uh, as you told that you have also trained, you haven't continued your career in engineering fields.
Sir, I have done this internship in Airports Authority of India because I have studied in electronics and communication stream.
Hmm.
So I had a uh, interest in knowing the knowledge and gaining information about the surveillance and how aircrafts works, how the communication occurs, which will be helpful in my
Mhm.
in my ECE stream, sir, when I was in third year.
Okay.
So after gaining experience,
Mhm.
I have later on joined in there. I thought of implementing my ECE stream in the communication stream, because encouraging the ECE students to mix the software as well as the electronics and communication knowledge, and to communication related activities we used to work on that, sir.
Okay.
So
Okay.
due to family
Okay.
reasons, I got.
Okay. Now, tell me, what are the security measures taken by airport authority system to maintain its more secure?
Yes, sir.
Hmm.
Sir, uh, basically, sir, before entering the airport,
Hmm.
it undergoes various security activities such as uh, uh, the uh, door frame metal detector, such as it
Hmm.
can door frame metal detector, X-ray baggage,
Hmm.
and explosives. If any explosives are there, we can
Hmm.
detect that. These are the stepwise processes, sir. Initially, if we enter the airport,
Hmm.
we will undergo the checking such as handmade
Hmm.
hand detector, handmade
Hmm.
detector, where
Hmm.
when the detector is in motion,
Hmm.
then if any arms or knives or anything is present inside the clothes or anything in any of this
Metal detectors.
metal related things, sir. Metal
Okay.
related thing can be easily known.
Okay.
After that, the door frame metal detector, where the electromagnetic radiation will be emitted, and this uh, hand detector, if it does not detect any such weapons or something or any metals, this
Hmm.
gets detected, sir. Next, the X-ray baggage.
Hmm.
X-ray baggage in the sense the drugs or any such arms or weapons, if it's present inside
Hmm.
the luggage
Hmm.
where it cannot be seen, this
Hmm.
X-ray baggage can be easily scans and it easily shows to us, sir. That's the thing. And
Okay.
another thing is, yes, sir.
Okay. What is the basic principle of doing these metal detectors? On which principle they do work?
So, uh, it's electromagnetic radiation, sir. It emits the electromagnetic radiation
Yes.
and in turn receives the information if anything is present, sir.
So I think it reflects by touching a metal space or metal surface
Yes, sir.
and create an image of that area where it got
Yeah,
reflected.
yes, sir. Yes, sir. If any metals, it radiates the waves, and this
Mhm.
waves, if it encounters any metal or any other
Okay.
objects,
Who
then
who who invented this technology and what is the name given? What is the particular name given by that inventor?
uh, uh, sir, it's Faraday, sir. Michael
Okay.
Faraday has invented the electromagnetic flux, sir, and it's this main principle
Mhm.
is invented by him, sir.
Okay. And what is photoelectric effect?
Sir,
What is the photoelectric effect?
photoelectric effect, sir. Sir, photoelectric effect means if any electric, sir, can I have? I don't know the complete knowledge regarding this. Can I guess it, sir?
Okay. Okay. Yes.
Okay, sir. Sir, photoelectric effect is uh, if any light radiation, if it falls on specific
Mhm.
object, then this light radiation then this light radiation, when it touches the objects, it gets converted into electric radiation, electric signals, and this electric signals in turn is received as an input to us.
Not,
This
not completely correct, but okay. Read upon it after interview. So now tell
okay, sir.
me what I have here some names that don't try to read anything because I will share the recording. Okay, go
Okay, sir.
through. Okay, just focus on your interview. Concentrate on interview. Okay, don't write. So
Okay, sir.
now here I have some names of some elements like germanium, silicon. What are these elements?
Sir, germanium and silicon are semiconductor elements, sir.
Okay,
These acts as a metal as well as a non-metal, sir. They has both the properties.
okay. And when they act as a metal,
Sir, they act as metal when sir when they act as metal such as metals are good conductors, sir.
huh?
So these semiconductors, when passed electricity, they conduct electricity, sir.
And
So at that,
on which principle the semiconductors started working as a conductor?
oh, sorry, sir, I don't remember this.
Okay, okay, it's okay. जब भी when you have no answer, then don't make late to say sorry. Okay,
Yes.
okay.
Okay, sir.
Mm. Now come to another topics like leadership. What are the prime features of leadership?
Uh, sir, sir, leadership is about taking the lead, uh, uh, taking the lead. It's knowing the knowing what are the it's courage, sir. Courage, taking the lead, and knowing what our team members are working on, and putting the ideas firstly. Next, balancing the work environment, and collaborating with the team members, and listening to their problems, and solving with the help of everyone, sir.
Okay. And how many types are there of leadership you know about it?
Uh, Sorry, sir, I didn't get through it.
Okay. And in our Indian polity, which type of federalism is good? Competitive or cooperative?
Sir, in my point of view, competitive is uh, somewhat better than cooperative, sir.
How it is better? Explain.
Sir, yes, sir. Competitive policies gives freedom to the states to take a step forward. It has no binding, sir, binding to the states.
Mhm.
It competitive policies makes the states to compete with each other, sir.
Mhm.
It competitive policies generally puts some rankings or something.
Mhm.
So depending upon that, the competitiveness among the states towards the development of infrastructure or various other
Okay.
activities, it gets
Okay.
increased, sir.
Now tell me your some bad habits.
My bad habits, sir.
Yes.
Uh, yes, sir. Sir, I'm a bit sensitive person.
Mhm.
Sir, if uh, I'm a bit emotional, sir. Means if anyone just uh, tells about
Problems.
their qualities, or tells about the problems, I just feel that it's as of my own. I just feel sympathize for them, sir.
Easily
So
sympathize with that person.
yes, sir, that person,
That
and
makes you
if
gullible.
in,
That's
no, sir, if yes, sir,
that
that
that makes you gullible and vulnerable. I
yes,
think this.
vulnerable in the sense, sir, he expects some help from me, and if I do, he when for example, if I give a specific person a money, if he tells to return it by a specific amount of time, such as 3 months or 4 months, again, I just end up in a bad situation that all the people might not reflect the same, sir. That's the problem. I believe in trusting him, and most of the time, mm, most
Okay.
of the time, I won't get it
Okay.
back.
Okay.
So I'm trying to overcome that.
Okay. So, are you married or not?
I'm not married, sir.
Okay. Have you any girlfriend or not?
Uh, I'm not having any girlfriend at present, sir.
Why? Why you have no girlfriend? Because you are mature enough to be have a girlfriend and to be in a relationship. Or I can say that in future 1 or 2 years you can be married also. So I think
Uh,
this is the mature level of having girlfriend. What do you think about it?
yes, sir, definitely. Sir, I used to have a girlfriend, sir,
Hmm?
but due to few family problems, uh, we maturely had taken a decision of breaking ourselves,
Hmm?
and uh, 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 looking and thought of obeying the decision of our parents, because
Okay.
we being matured, we try to we try to
Hmm.
foresee the problems which we undergo
Mhm.
because we are from a different communities. Both who doesn't have any community issues or caste issues, sir.
Mhm.
But due to few problems, rather than this, we got
Which
broke
type
up
of
and
problems?
present
You are mentioning a few problems. Which type of problems?
problems in the sense, sir. Actually, the uh, financial problems, sir. Actually, we are not much financially strong than theirs,
Hmm.
so they might feel inferior. And
Okay.
I am the only person to support my family, and my mother needs respect from others.
Hmm.
They are, sir. My mother is a fully matured person, but they are from a rural background,
Hmm.
so they I don't find faults
See,
in them, but
here
yes, sir.
I am only interested to know how will you convince them or their family or your family to make again close.
Yes, sir. Many uh, from my side, I think I have done my 100%. But uh, from their point of view,
Mhm.
they're not much interested in me. So it's
Who?
totally a
They?
mutual
No, no. This is not the issue of they. This is the issue of she. If she is interested, you must go forward and convince everyone in every kind of situation. What do you think so?
Yes, sir. Sir, actually, we both have tried. We have both have tried so many times. We have fought for around 5 years,
Mhm.
but at last, situation got worsened up, such as it went a step forward, like emotional blackmail and all, to the girl.
Mhm.
So, rather than being insulted or hurt
Mhm.
or emotionally blackmailing, we thought of breaking up so that we could live happier
Okay.
with our families.
So you haven't go to police station to file cases against the persons who are molesting her in a emotional manner or any kind of. Have you tried?
No, sir.
Why?
No, sir.
Why you not tried to
Sir,
save your love?
yes, sir. Sir,
Hmm.
I being a matured person,
Hmm.
I,
I think it
I,
is not maturity because you are a loser right now. You are not matured. If
yes, sir.
you are matured, then she will be with you.
Sir, uh, sir, there are many issues regarding this, sir.
Hmm.
Sir, but basically, uh, we see what's important for us in our life, right, sir? So we both came to understanding that at presently at my in at according to my situation, I thought of supporting my family, my mother and my sister is the topmost important than my life.
Hmm.
So I have sacrificed many things for them. So I thought that supporting them is much more important than being with my girl because when I marry her, there are very external issues
Hmm.
which I can't control.
Hmm.
There are many external issues which I can't control and reach my family will affect my family. So rather than going to the police station and filing a case against them, I thought of leaving
Hmm.
because leaving uh, might be much happier for us rather than uh, sticking with us.
Okay. Okay. You take decisions to improve overall situations of your mother, sister, and yourself. Not you haven't thought not only for yourself. That is the sacrifice, and that is the decision level, according to you. Okay,
Sir,
it's good. It's good. You are at good stage right now with this answer. Here you have
I
saved. Here you have saved your sister, your mother, and yourself. Three persons, rather than saving only your love.
okay, sir.
Uh, Now here an SRT for you that in a boat in the middle of the river, you, your sister, your mother, and your girl, that is your love, uh,
Yes, sir.
in the middle of the river. The boat is down and you four person are drowning right now. Only you know how to swim, no other person know how to swim. And the condition is that you can only save one person at one time. And You have to save only one person. Who will you save? Whom will you save?
Oh, um, sir, uh, at that time, I will save my sister, sir.
What is the reason behind this?
Uh, Sir, my sister is very younger than me,
Mhm,
and I have equal love to my mother as well as my sister.
mhm,
But she has much life in future,
mhm.
and she is working on her goals, and uh,
She can
she is
contribute
trying to,
more towards
yes,
Indian
sir,
growth.
yes, sir, much thing. And my mother is more than half of her age, and hardly she can live for 20 years or so. I'm not degrading the love of my mother, but
Mhm.
my um, sister has much life than my mother, sir. She in turn can help many others and can be a motivation to others. So I think I'll save my sister rather than.
Okay, okay, good. All the best for your future. I'm disconnecting the call.
Okay, sir. Thank you.